Globally, Ikea sells more than 1 billion of its famous Swedish meatballs. This woman was so happy that she finally got to eat the famous Ikea princess cake. Members of Ikea family, Ikea's loyalty program, get a free coffee every time they visit the store. Yes, I am talking about Ikea the furniture maker. Then why am I talking about food? That is because in today's video we are going to talk about 5 ways in which Ikea has become such a famous multinational brand. And food is just one of them. Trust me, Ikea takes its food as seriously as its furniture. The first and foremost thing which is most important for Ikea is the value that they deliver to their customers. Ikea's customers always know what to expect when they go shopping in Ikea. They know they're going to get furniture which is not only going to be economical but which is also going to be very good looking and very effective. The pricing of an Ikea's product is so important that Ikea first fixes the price of the furniture, then they work backwards to figure out how to make that piece of furniture. The Ikea furniture is delivered in flat pack boxes. The boxes are not designed to fit the furniture. The furniture is designed to fit in those boxes. The boxes are designed in such a way that they help in reducing the storage and shipping costs by enabling more and more, or in fact maximum, products in a single container ship. The stores and warehouses of Ikea are designed in such a way that they can efficiently and effectively store more boxes at the similar time. Ikea stores are designed specifically to appeal to the customer's subconscious mind, which is where most of the human decisions are taken. The layout of the store is such that the furniture is presented in the same way in which we usually have it in our home. So whenever you visit an Ikea store, you will notice that the furniture, the environment in which the furniture is kept, is quite similar to the ones which we have at our homes. This is because Ikea wants us to look at the furniture, to perceive it in its natural environment, which makes the subconscious mind desire the product even more. And whenever you visit the Ikea store, you will see that the store is designed in such a way that there is a guided pathway, walkway, and the walkway is usually very straight with arrows which lead you into going in a particular direction, and it's very straight, and it is designed in such a way that you can just walk through the pathway and cover the entire inventory of Ikea in one go. So it's very straight, you're guided at every step, and it takes you to the next step in such a way that in one round you cover the entire store and you check out all the inventory. This increases the probability of the customers stopping for more products. This increases the probability of customers making much more impulse purchases. The biggest USP of Ikea is its DIY or do-it-yourself furniture. So why DIY? This is for the simple reason because Ikea wants its customers to spend more time and effort in assembling the product, in assembling the furniture. This will make the customers feel emotionally connected with their furniture. And the second reason is because this DIY model helps in keeping the furniture's cost very economical. As I mentioned earlier, the furniture is designed in such a way that it can fit in the flat boxes, and the only way that is possible is when the furniture is unassembled. And also it helps in reducing the labor cost since assembling needs to be done by the customers. Ikea is also preparing itself for the future. Ikea does this by preparing itself for all kinds of opportunities. Firstly, it is preparing itself for the kind of customers who prefer shopping online. So for this, Ikea is completely revamping its digital presence, its online presence, its online e-commerce shopping experience for the customers. It is also working very hard at improving its home delivery services. Secondly, it is also looking at getting more and more customers into its stores. In order to facilitate that, Ikea is looking at coming to the center of cities and opening smaller stores as opposed to the current large warehouse style stores which it has at the outskirts of cities. So it is trying to come within the city so that the stores are much more accessible. And in addition to this, Ikea is also looking at catering to the customers' environmental concerns. So Ikea is trying to be more and more environment friendly by reducing the amount of greenhouse gases which it emits. And now the most interesting thing, the food. IKEA's founder believed, and he was even found to be saying a lot of times, that you cannot do business with a man on an empty stomach. This is the reason why he introduced the in-house IKEA cafe. And according to a lot of scientific research, it has been found that in a retail store, 20 to 25% of our oxygen intake is directed straight to the brain. This is because the brain is consuming so much information at the same time, and which drains a lot of energy out of the body. Hence, the food will help in recharging, in refueling the customer's body, customer's mind, and that customer will then go on to buy things which he had not planned for earlier. IKEA calls its meatball its best sofa seller, because a well-fed customer will talk more, a well-fed customer will stay in the store for a longer, a well-fed customer will check out more products, and a well-fed customer also potentially buy more food. One more fun fact is that IKEA also lists down its food items on its product page on the website. So that's it from my side. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys liked it, go ahead and press the like button. Please also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video.